This is your new floor. Looks great now, but then come the hits, the heels, the humiliation.
Whose dog is this?
The truth is, your hardwood isn't that hard. And your carpet is crawling with bacteria, dirt, and germs. Like a toilet that doesn't flush. But there's a new hero in town.
It's a birch!
It's a vinyl?
No and no. It's SUPERCore from WeShipFloors.com. The strongest, most waterproof, pet-proof, and life-proof flooring on the planet. And SUPERCore isn't just tough, it's beautiful. Like The Rock, in drag. Not the actual The Rock for legal reasons. SUPERCore is 3 times stronger than your hardest hardwood, which means you can hit it with heavy furniture, cast iron skillets, bowling balls, even a truck, without worrying about dents, cracks, or craters. Unlike most floors that swell up or peel off from the smallest spill, SUPERCore is 80% limestone and 20% PVC, making it 100% waterproof, which means it's also spill-proof, mop-proof, pee-proof, and ice cubes under the fridge proof, making it perfect for your bathroom, kitchen, basement, rec room, or anywhere in your home you want to look clean and beautiful. SUPERCore looks fresh, smells fresh, and stays fresh because it can be cleaned every day without fading, warping, or water damage. It's so strong and resilient, it might just outlast human civilization.
The humans were a weak species, but their floors were strong. Yes, very tasteful.
New flooring makes your entire home look better and feel more comfortable. And with a wide range of styles and color choices, we make finding the right SUPERCore for your home easy. Just click the link and get your samples today. Never be floorboard again. When you buy from big box stores, you pay up to 2 times more for their expertise.
So, this one's pretty dope. It's definitely wood. I think. Does that look like wood to you?
At WeShipFloors, we're a team of experts that design, develop, and deliver cutting-edge floors without the stores. That means no middlemen or expensive retail markups. Just pure quality, value, and convenience. We deliver to homes nationwide, and installing our floors couldn't be easier. While our competitors make you wait for the floor to settle and acclimate, SUPERCore is ready to go right out of the box. That's instant acclimation and instant gratification. And with SUPERCore's Better Click technology, you can turn DIY into DIY weight. Harder, better, faster, stronger, and tons of glowing 5-star reviews to back it up. And it comes with a lifetime warranty. Stop knocking on wood and covering for your crusty carpet. And instead, treat your feet, your family, your home, and your wallet to the floor you deserve. With SUPERCore from WeShipFloors.com. Excuse me? Why haven't you clicked the link? Go ahead. Click the link. SUPERCore has better click technology, so you better click the link. Click! Click, 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 click the link. Click, 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 click the link.